Hi guys, it is unboxing time, expectation time. Guys, help me, let's unbox my box and let's see what is inside it. You have already seen it is Mary Kay. I got some Mary Kay products and I decided to come and unbox it with you guys. So follow me, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. In my channel I do a lot of things. I do lifestyle, I show many things around me. So if you want to see some of my lifestyle, keep watching. This product is actually the one I'm using. Come and see what is inside it. I don't know, I know I ordered a lot of things from Mary Kay. It landed. Let's see if what we got or what we ordered is what we got. So keep watching guys. Let's open it guys. Woo! Woo! So today unboxing, we are going to do it on inside a car. So this is all the things I got. Let me first of all read what's here. Here I got clear proof deep cleansing. I got one charcoal mask. I also got time-wise targeted action tuning lotion. I also got cream repair volume firm night. I also got serum repair volume lifting. I also got time-wise repair volume firm wrinkle filler wrinkle filler, and I also got Mary Kay clinic solution. I also got dynamic wrinkle limiter. I also got micro dermabrasion set. I also got cleanser volume firm. I also got repair volume. Yeah, I got a lot, day one and night one. So guys, let's see the main product. This thing I'm reading is a lot of wasting of time. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what we wrote, what I listed here now. What they listed is what is here. Ooh, guys, look at it. Hope you are seeing it. I think I got a gift there. Look at it. So let's see. Oh my god, look at this. This is a gift. Let's just start from this gift. This is the gift I got from Mary Kay, guys. And this is, I think this is a bag, something like a handbag. Oh my god, look at it. It's so beautiful, guys. It's written Mary Kay. There's just a small handbag you can use to put something like money, something like your wallet, or small thing you can use to walk around. Look at it. How do you see it? It's so beautiful, guys, right? It's so nice. So this apart, let's see other things. Guys, a lot of things I got here. I got a lot of things. Let's first of all see their magazine. This is their magazine. I think this is the one of 2025 magazine. Yeah, 2025 Ausgabe 2 2025 Deutschland. So this is how the one of 2025 looks. If you have not seen it, this is how it looks. They draw a lot of their products and also how much it costs. Mary Kay sell a lot of things, not only cream, they also sell perfume. Some people ask me which the kind of perfume I apply. I apply this particular perfume here. This is so great. Illumina is so good. It's so very nice. The scent doesn't go out. Yeah, so they have a lot of things. You see all this brush I do use to make up, they have everything. So let's just keep the manual for now and dive into the product, guys. So I'll be showing you. This is a clear proof. This is clear proof. This is for pimples. I actually got this. I don't know if this will be okay for my daughter. My daughter is having pimples. I think I may try it on her. Look at it. This is I got this product from ourselves. Look at this. This is charcoal clear proof, and it's very nice for the pimples. It's very nice, guys. If your teenager is having pimples, get it for her. I can help you and order it. This is how it looks. And also have the cream. They have also this particular one here. They call it clear proof Mary Kay spot solution for acne prone skin. This is after you apply this, then you apply this particular clear solution on the pimples. It will clear it. So I decided to get this for my daughter this time around. This is 2 I got for her. And guys, and here, this is the day cream. You guys do see when I do unbox this kind of products. Look at it. This is time wise repair volume firm. Okay, this is night. Sorry, this is night volume firm night treatment with retinol. I've unboxed this particular before. I got the night one too. This is night one. I'm not applying this alone. My husband is also applying this. This is also night. I got it like 3 of it. How to know the night and day. This is night. When you see the back of it, the top of it is a little bit darker, you know that is a night one. And this is how it looks. One day I will come and make a video how I apply it. I do go live and also use it. Look at what is inside it, guys. I love how they made these products. The cup is so beautiful, guys. I love it, and it is working. It's anti-age product, guys. Yeah, so it's like we got a lot because they made discount. Whenever they make a discount, we do like to get a lot. So we got the night solution. Let me show you very well. Let me show you. I'm in the care here, so you might not see it very well. I got like 4 of the night treatment, volume firm night treatment with retinol. I get like 4 of it. This can last long for us. Let me see the oh, this will expire 2026 August. That means next year August. We still before then we're going to finish it now. Yeah, so I got the night one, 5 of it. Yeah, 5 of it. 4 of it. And also get the day one too. This day one, let me show you also how the cover or they used to be. This is how the day one used to be, and the top here is just normal. So this is how to know the night and day. So guys, let me show you other ones. This one you see here is a volume firm foaming cleanser. This is for vinegar or washing, to wash your face. You have to use this and wash your face before you can apply the day or night thing one. Okay, and we got also the time wise repair for volume firm advanced lifting serum. this particular advanced lifting serum, if you are from 40 years above, if you are noticing that you are having wrinkles, use it. It's gonna lift your face. If your face is falling, use it. It's gonna also bring it to normality. This will help your face very nice. And here I also got Balloon Firm. This is the eye cream. I got one of the eye cream, and other one I got here is a wrinkle filler. This wrinkle filler is also, when you are having wrinkles, apply it. It's just going to work gradually. It's not like magic. You have to use it for like a month, 2 months, and then you begin to see the action. You're going to be seeing the improvements. Okay, yes. So, and other things I got here, I showed you that this is the perfume. This is the perfume I actually use. This perfume, I also say that this perfume is heavenly. It's called Illumina. Illumina is very nice perfume. I love this perfume. Like, since I saw how it scents, and it stays long, I don't apply other perfume minus this. And when I apply it, if you come near me, you will say you would like to come near me. So guys, if you have money, get it. It's not too costly. Something like this is 87 or 80. It's not reach 90 euro. Okay, just get it. You are gonna like yourself when you are using this kind of perfume. Illumina is a great perfume, so get it. And I'll be a little bit faster. I don't want the video to be too long. And I also get this. What is this? This is targeted action tuning lotion. I used to apply this lotion before, but I stopped. And this time around, they made a discount. I said, let me just get it. This is a lotion. It's so good. Look at it. I love it. When I was using it before, it's very, very fine, but it's a little bit costlier. But this time around, I got it. So good. Targeted action tuning lotion. It fades away dark spots. Any color discoloration, it makes it look to come to normal. I love it so much. And what again I have here, I got Clinical Solution Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter. They made this Angebot also. Anti-minimizer felt cream. This is also good. This is also good, guys. And I also get this advanced lifting serum. I got this too. Okay, guys, this will help you manage your aging. People think being every year young is just a gift. Sometimes you need to help yourself. You need to help yourself. Okay, and this here is microdermabrasion. This is very nice. This is also a mask. Sets 2-in-1. Instead, this is the mask and this is the pore minimizer. After applying this mask and washing it away, you use the pore minimizer to make it look great. So guys, this is all I got from Mary Kay. Guys, help me share this video. I don't want this video to be too long. Let us like this video and share it. I'll be saying bye bye for now. I will not allow this video to pass 15 minutes, guys. Yes, so like this video and give me a thumbs up. If you want anyone, let me know so that I can help you and order from their website. Okay, I love this so much. This is their bag. They do give a gift sometimes. So bye. I will see you next time in my next video. Bye. Love you.